अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। मैं इस वक्त पुर्तगाल के कैपिटल लिस्बन में हूँ। लिस्बन यूरोप का वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट सिटी भी है और आपको ये बात जानकर बहुत हैरत होगी कि जब मुसलमान स्पेन पर रूल करते थे तो वो पुर्तगाल पर भी रूल करते थे और लिस्बन जो था, जो लिस्बन सिटी है, वो मुसलमानों का कैपिटल भी था। तो यहाँ पर अभी भी बहुत सारे ऐसी जगहें हैं जो कि मुस्लिम हेरिटेज को रिप्रेजेंट करती हैं। लिस्बन जब स्पेन वापस मुसलमानों के हाथ से गया तो लिस्बन और एंडलूसिया जो कि कुर्तबा वाहिद कैपिटल थे जो काफ़ी अरसे तक मुसलमानों के कब्ज़े में रहे और एंड में ये भी वापस जो क्रिश्चियंस थे उनके पास वापस चले। तो इट्स अ वेरी हिस्टोरिकल सिटी। लेट मी टेक यू ऑन अ टूर ऑफ लिस्बन।
Actually, in the 16th century, it was mostly actually the harbor of Lisbon. From here, the boats used to depart to other parts of the world. And specifically in this square, we are in square Afonso de Albuquerque. And Afonso de Albuquerque is the gentleman on top of that statue. So I've mentioned that in 1498, Vasco da Gama arrived in India. And this gentleman was the vice king of India. And why do you think the Portuguese king would need a vice king in India?
Well, that's colonialism. That's how it works, actually.
Exactly,
right?
hard work to colonize, right?
Yeah.
You need someone representing the Portuguese crown over there, specifically someone who actually became known in the Indian Ocean as the terror of the seas. So you can imagine that he was not a very gentle guy. But from 1509 until 1515, he actually solidified, let's say, the power of Portugal in India, specifically in the city of Goa. And Goa was part of the Portuguese Empire up until 1961. So just imagine 4.5 centuries of Portuguese presence in India. Still, some parts of Goa, one part of Goa is still called Vasco da Gama, and so people over there still speak Portuguese. You can still see architecture over there related to Portugal, and the Portuguese Prime Minister at the moment, he looks Indian. So, because he's actually a family member of someone that used to trade a lot in Goa. So we have Goa's blood running our country, Portugal. And over there, the pink palace is called Palácio de Belém, and that's, I would say, our Eliseu, so compared to France, and that's our presidential palace, where Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa, the current president of Portugal, held his, or like when he has an official coming from another country, that's he's going to visit that and receive that person, I would say. But it's not his place where he lives. And over there, the white building over there is the National Coach Museum, the biggest collection of coaches in the world. And why? We had actually a king in the 18th century called John V, and he was rich enough. Why? Because we found gold mines in Brazil. So you mine all the gold and you spend it.